Alright, welcome back listeners to another interesting video. In today's video we are going to talk about data table, okay, or table data as the case may be. So why do we need table data? In a situation whereby you have a raw data like this, looking at this raw data, it lacks some functionality except we use a right click option to get some functionality like filter, are you getting it, insert, this. If you look at this now, if you want to filter this data, we have to right click in order to get the filter, okay? But we don't want it that way. If you have prepared a set data sheet like this, and I want all those functionality to be showing from the point at which when you open the document, you see all those functionality. What you need to do is a very simple step. The best approach is to come here, hold down your shift, press your right arrow key, okay? Then mind you, we are starting from this first, which is the second name. Then press your control and press your down arrow key to highlight all the data. Now that I've highlighted all the data, hold down your control key and press T. Okay, you see it's showing more or less like as if you want to copy the data, okay? But this is not copy. A drop down box will display here, okay, which is called create a table, okay? So to do this, I will just have to hit OK. Once I hit the OK, what happened? You see, automatically it has designed this data for us with a filter icon at the top. You see, with a filter icon in each and every one of these columns, okay? It now has a filter icon. Now if I want to have the grand total, I'll get the grand total of this column. I'll just have to come here, click grand total. You see, it has titled it total automatically and give you the grand total. All right, then if I want to highlight this first column, right, all I have to do is just to come and click first column. You see, it has bolded it for me. All right, last column. This is how to make reference to a particular column. Then if I say bounded column, you see, it bound the whole column for me. It gives you a lot of functionality in terms of user interface to make design your Excel data. I can choose any of this background here. You can see I can choose any background, okay, as the case may be. I can choose any background here as my data view, okay? Let's leave it this way. So this is how to use a table design data tools. So this is how far we can go on this video tutorial. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on the comment section. Goodbye.